are you doing?
Random will move. Look at his face. He's so cute.
Pull your shirt. It's like acupuncture. Steve, what are you doing to him? I've never seen anything like this before. No, you're gonna choke him. Bandit,
He's not even blinking.
is he breathing?
No.
Yeah.
Bandit.
Look at his paws.
Oh. God, that's the strangest thing. How many cars can you pile on your cat?
I don't know about 100. That was funny. So funny.
And I can make him look Asian.